Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing the community info in X. The community info section provides you with valuable details about a community, including its description, member count, and more. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to view the community info in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Ensure that you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, either tap on the desired community icon or utilize the search icon to find the community you want to explore. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Once you're on the community page, look for the About option in the top drawer. Tap on it to access the About section. Step 5. Scroll down within the About section until you find the Info section. This section provides you with additional details about the community, such as the description, member count, and other relevant information. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view the community info in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.